Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to show day of week in a week in Windows 11 Taskbar Clock. So how can do this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your control panel, type a control panel, open control panel, go to your date and time. Click on change date and time. Click on change calendar settings. Click on additional settings. Click on date tab and now short date. Now type up DDD and /. Click on apply. Click on OK. Click on apply. OK and OK. Close it. Now you can see data. Now day, date, month and year. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.